Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I'm having classes at 8, so it's already 7:30 and we have to catch that bus. Ooh. We have to catch the bus. So let's go. It's getting time. I'll give you the update on the way. We finally got into the bus, guys, but the previous bus was full. We caught a second bus over here. Finally I got the seat. I'm sitting and the bus is currently free and I have class at 8:30. The time is now 8 o'clock, so I'll be there on time since it's morning. Literally there's no traffic from my hostel to here. It usually gets 40 minutes, but luckily today I got here within 20 minutes, so without traffic we came very fast. So we're going to the next campus, not next campus, we're going to campus for the second bus. So let's go. If I can't talk loudly over here because the locals are gonna see me little different, so I am going to continue the vlog in class. So bye. See the houses, guys, they literally look like the tomb. You can see morning sunrise and snow, and you can also see we can do skating over here, guys. Definitely we're gonna fall. I have a record. This is our campus, guys. I have a record falling in snow. Literally I have fell so many times, but luckily I have not got hurt. Touch wood, let it be the same. And my hands are freezing right now, so I'll not be able to vlog further, guys. So see you in the class. We are in the campus, guys, and ma'am is already here and our groupmates are not here, so I don't know ma'am. She's not strict, but our groupmates are not here yet. They'll be around 5 to 10 minutes. So ma'am told to wait until they come. So we are waiting outside. This is our classroom. And the campus is currently empty because no one is having class except us in this morning 8:30 class. Hi guys, it's been a long time that we have come out with friends, so we are here to play bowling and to enjoy and to have fun. So let's go. Here are all my friends. Let me introduce you to my friends. This is Hanis, this is Guna, and that's Varun. So we all are here to play bowling and we'll be having food, we'll having be lots of fun. So I'll take you along with me. So let's go. This is the mall that we are entering, guys. It's Christmas here and the malls are decorated so beautiful. So we'll be going to this place and we'll be playing over here. So let's go.
Nice, nice, nice.
Let's ask Varun. How was the experience? Very easy game. Okay, he felt it easy because he was the second. I was first.
I need move for my hands. It's paining.
Yeah, it's paining. So
Fingers are
even my fingers are paining. It was too heavy, but we did it. It was a very, very good experience. That is, we came. This is mainly in the Cosmo Park. So if you guys want to play, the people who are in Bishkek, so come to Cosmo Park and come to bowling, and it is a very good experience. I have to say, you guys. So let's go to next place. Guys, pistachio and chocolate. This is called sulfate ka guys. Tissue paper. Not a special card.
It's because snowflakes for the night. So because you can be.
Guys, you can see the snowflakes. Guys, can you see the snowflakes? It is exactly like snowflakes. Can you see the perfect snowflakes? Do you guys really know? I was not knowing that snowflakes really have that snowflake one shape, but after coming here, after seeing the snow, I think it was not imaginary, but the snowflake shape was real because that got it feels cold. So let's go into the cafe, guys. Let's go. It felt like Dubai. It's so scary. Guys, our day is completed. Guys, we're going to the hostel, and she fell on the road twice. See her experience, and literally she fell like twice back to back, and I was like laughing on the road. While crossing the road, she just fell, and we just ran because our bus was missing. Because if we miss this bus, we can't wait in the cold. So we finally got into bus, and my hair looks like mess because we were running in snow by wearing the cap, so it's like mess. So I'll continue by going to hostel. So see you then, guys. I'm back to hostel, guys. It was a wonderful day. We enjoyed a lot. We ate a lot. So it was too cold outside, and my cheeks are all red due to the colds. It's literally snowing very heavily outside, and it was so good. So if you guys like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.